Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health on LG Gram laptop. First, open the Start menu and search for CMD program. Then run it as administrator and click Yes. In the following window, input power CFG, spacebar, battery, report, and press Enter. You'll get the file path in return. Select it like this and right click to copy it. Then open your File Explorer or any of your available browsers. Select the path field and paste your path right here. Press Enter and then select the application you want to open this battery report with. On this page you can find many different info about your device's battery, but the only thing that really matters to us right now is two basic values of the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the original capacity of your laptop's battery, and the full charge capacity is its current capacity. As you can see, the current capacity is significantly lower than the designed capacity, which means that this battery is slightly worn out. And if you feel uncomfortable with your current battery life, and you see that the full charge capacity of your laptop is significantly lower than the designed one, then this probably means that it's the best time to replace your laptop's battery, and that's the only way that you can fix this situation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.